A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue problems on maxima and minima. Application of derivative lecture number 9. तो आज हम लोग लेक्चर नंबर 9 स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं ऑन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव. Maxima and minima. Step 1. Write fx in simplified form. Step number 2 will be find f dash x. यानी फंक्शन जो है उसको डिफरेंशिएट कर लेंगे. Step 3 is what? Find the values of x for which f dash x is 0. Step 4 is what? Find f double dash x. Step 5 is what? Substitute the values of x as calculated in step 3. Here we calculated values of x as calculated in step 3. Where will substitute? In f double dash x. सब्स्टिट्यूट करने से हमको मिलेगा पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव इन f double dash x and see whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0. If it is greater than 0, then it is what? If it is greater than 0, then it is what? Minimum. And if it is less than 0, then it is what? Maximum. Step 6 is what? Substitute the values of x silent. Substitute the values of x in fx to get maximum or minimum value accordingly. Accordingly in the sense जो वैल्यू मैक्सिमम देगी उसको fx में रखेंगे तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू आएगी. जो वैल्यू मिनिमम दे रही है उसको रिप्लेस करने के बाद we'll get minimum. So let us try some problems. Find maximum and minimum value of the following functions. Y is equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 2x square minus 3x. In this case, fx is already given in simplified form. fx is already given in simplified form. Now what do you mean by writing fx in simplified form? If any word problem is given, divide 30 in two parts so that their product is maximum. So in such problem, no fx is given, so we need to construct fx. Here already fx is given in simplified form. So let us try. Our first step is what? Write fx which is already given. Instead of fx they are given y. Y and fx one and same thing. Differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is what? 15x square plus 4x minus 3 for extreme. Whenever we need to find out maximum and minimum, there is one word, extreme. Extreme means what? Maximum as well as minimum together. For extreme values of y. Here y is given, so we'll mention y. When fx is given, we'll mention fx. For extreme values of y, what I gave, first order derivative is what? 0. Why first order derivative is 0? When we plot the function, this is the point where function is what? Maximum. If you draw tangent at this point, then slope of tangent is what? Equal to slope of x-axis. So slope of tangent at this point is what? dy by dx. Is same as slope of x-axis, which is what? 0. So dy by dx is 0. And this is the point where function is what? Minimum. And if you draw tangent at this point, then again tangent is parallel to x-axis. So slope of tangent is equal to slope of x-axis. So dy by dx is what? 0. This is the reason why first derivative is what? 0 for both maximum as well as minimum. After this, 15x square plus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we will factorize 15 is 45 in such a way so that after subtracting we'll get 4. 9 for 45. So 15x square plus 9x minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Take 3x common. 5x plus 3 minus 1 common. 5x plus 3. Take 5x plus 3 common. So 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x will be what? Therefore x will be minus 3 by 5 or x will be 1 by 3. Since f dash x is what? Sorry, we have taken dy by dx. So we'll take dy by dx only. Since dy by dx is what? (15x square plus 4x minus 3). Again, differentiating with respect to x. So d2y by dx square 30x plus 4. Now we'll replace the value of x as calculated, which is minus 3 by 5 and 1 by 3. So first value is what? Minus 3 by 5. Therefore, d2y by dx square when x is minus 3 by 5 will be what? 30 into minus 3 by 5 plus 4. 6 minus 18 plus 4 is what? Minus 14. Less than 0. So this implies y is, second derivative is what? Less than 0 means y is maximum when x is what? Minus 3 by 5. What is maximum value? Y is maximum when x is what? Minus 3 by 5. Max value of y is what? Is equal to, now replace here x as minus 3 by 5. So 5 into minus 3 by 5 cube plus 2 into minus 3 by 5 square minus 3 into minus 3 by 5 will give you what? Minus 27 upon 25. 125 will be there, but 1 5 will get cancelled. This is what? 9 by 25. So 2 multiplied, so 18 by 25 plus 9 by 5. 25 LCM will give you what? Minus 27 plus 18 plus 45. Minus 27 plus 18 is what? 9. 9 plus 45. Sorry, minus 9. Minus 9 plus 45 is what? 27. 36 upon 25. So this is maximum value of y. And second value of x is what? 1 by 3. Consider, now this value of x will replace in second derivative. And we'll check whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0. Consider d2y by dx square when x is what? 1 by 3, replace your second derivative. 30 into 1 by 3 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is what? 14. And 14 is what? Positive, greater than 0. This implies y is minimum. Second derivative is what? Greater than 0 means minimum. When x is 1 upon 3. So minimum value of y is what? Value of y is equal to, replace 5 into 1 by 3 cube plus 2 into 1 by 3 square minus 3 into 1 by 3. 5 by 27 plus 2 by 9 minus 1. Take 27 LCM. 5 plus 6 minus 27. Minus 16 upon 27 is what? Its minimum value. Okay. Next problem is fx is since fx is here also fx is given in simplified form 2x cube minus 21 x square plus 36x minus 20. Differentiating with respect to x. So f dash x is what? 6x square minus 42x plus 36 for extreme values of fx. F dash x is 0. 6x square minus 42x plus 36 equal to 0. Divide by 6 will give you what? X square minus 7x. 6 1 just 6. So x minus 6, x minus 1 are the factors. So x will be 6 or x will be 1. Now we'll find out second derivative. So since f dash x is what? 6x square minus 42x plus 36. Again differentiating with respect to x. So f double dash x is what? 12x minus 42. Now, we will substitute the values of x as calculated in step 3 in f double dash x. So consider x is equal to 6. F double dash 6 will be what? 12 into 6 minus 42. (72 minus 42 is what? 30. And 30 is what? Greater than 0. So this implies fx is minimum. Second derivative is what? Greater than 0 means minimum. Fx is minimum when x is 6. What is minimum value of fx? Mean value of fx is what? F of 6. Replace here x6. So 2 into 6 cube minus 21 into 6 square plus 36 into 6 minus 20. 6 cube is what? 216. 216 into 2, 432. Minus 36 into 21. 36 into 6 is what? Again 216 minus 20. 36 into 21 will give you what? 6. 12 plus 3, 15. Carry 1. 3 to the 6, 1, 7. We'll get 756. $432 plus 648 minus 776 will give minus 128. $128 is what? Its minimum value. Now second value of x is what? 1. Consider x is equal to 1. Replace this in second derivative. F double dash 1 is what? F double dash 1. 12 into 1 minus 42. Is equal to 12 minus 42. Minus 30 less than 0. So this implies fx is maximum at x is equal to 1. Max value of fx is what? F of 1. F of 1 is what? 2 minus 21. 2 into 1 cube minus 21 into 1 square. 36 into 1. Minus 20. 2 minus 21 plus 36. So 38 minus 41 is what? Minus 3. Minus 3 is its maximum value and minus 128 is what? Minimum value. Next problem is what? Fx is equal to since fx is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. Differentiating with respect to x. F dash x is what? 3x square minus 18x plus 24. For extreme values of fx, f dash x is what? 0. 3x square minus 18x plus 24 is what? 0. Divide by 3, so x square minus 6x plus 8. Factors are x minus 2, x minus 4. So x is 2 or x is 4. We'll go to what? Second derivative. So f dash x is what? 3x square minus 18x minus 24 plus 24. Again, differentiating with respect to x. F double dash x is what? 6x minus 18. Now we'll substitute the values of x in f double dash x. Consider x is equal to 2. F double dash 2 is what? 6 into 2 minus 18. 12 minus 18 is what? Minus 6, which is less than 0. This implies fx is maximum when x is 2. Max value of fx is what? f2. And what is f2? 2 cube minus 9 into 2 square, 24 into 2. 8 minus 36 plus 48. 48 plus 8, 56 minus 36 is what? 20 is what? Its maximum value. Now we'll find out at point 4. Consider x is equal to 4. F double dash 4 is what? 6 into 4 minus 18. 24 minus 18 is equal to plus 6 greater than 0. So this implies fx is minimum at x is equal to 4. Mean value of fx is what? F4. 4 cube minus 9 into 4 square plus 24 into 4. 64 minus 144 plus 96. 64 plus 96 will give you 160 minus 144 will give you 16. 16 is its minimum value. Next problem is fx is equal to x square plus 16 upon x square. Fx is x square plus x square plus 16 upon differentiating with respect to x. F dash x is what? 2x plus 16 into x square you take up. X raised to minus 2. Derivative is what? Minus 2 x raised to minus 3. 2x minus 32 upon 4 extreme values of fx, f dash x is 0. So 2x minus 32 upon, so 2x raised to 4 is what? X raised to 4 is 16. So x will be plus or minus 2. Since first derivative is what? 2x minus 32 upon x cube. Again, differentiating with respect to x. So f double dash x is what? 2 minus 32 into minus 3 x raised to minus 4. 2 plus 96 upon. So f double dash at plus or minus 2. 2 plus 96 upon minus 2 or plus 2 raised to 4 will give 16. 2 plus 6, 8 greater than 0. So this implies fx is minimum at x is equal to plus or minus 2. Minimum value of fx is what? F of plus minus 2. So plus minus 2 square plus 16 upon plus minus 2 square. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Since fx is what? X log x. Differentiating with respect to x. X into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x into derivative of x is 1. Which is what? 1 plus log x. For extreme values of fx, f dash x is what? 0. So 1 plus log x is 0. So log x is what? Minus 1. Base of log is e. When you remove this log, x will be what? E raised to minus 1. So x is what? 1 upon e. Since f dash x is what? 1 plus log x. F dash x. Again differentiating. With respect to x. So f double dash x is what? 0 plus 1 upon x. So f double dash at 1 upon e because x is what 1 upon e will give you e. 1 upon e will be what? E, and e is greater than 0. So this implies fx is minimum at x is equal to 1 upon e. What is minimum value of fx? F of 1 upon e. F of 1 upon e is what? 1 upon e log. Log 1 upon e is what? Minus log e. And log e is what? 1. Which is minus 1 upon e. Next one is fx is what? Log x upon x. Differentiating with respect to x. So f dash x is what? X into derivative of log x 1 upon x minus log x into derivative of x is 1 upon v square. So f dash x is what? 1 minus log x upon x square. For extreme values of fx, f dash x is 0. 1 minus log x upon x square is 0. So 1 minus log x is what? So log x is 1. Log x is 1, so x is e. Since f dash x is what? 1 minus log x upon again differentiating with respect to x. So f double dash x is what? U by v. X square into derivative of 1 minus log x is 0 minus 1 upon x. 1 minus log x into derivative of x square is what? 2x. Divided by x raised to 4. So H is AQ by R square. R square. Let FH be area of metal required in construction of tank. So how much material is required? FR. We are eliminating H, so it is what FR. So FR is what? It is open tank, that means no material is required to prepare upper surface and lower surface is required. So 2 pi RH, this is called surface area plus area of bottom, pi R square. 2 pi R into H is what? AQ by R square plus pi R square. 2 pi AQ by R. This is our FR in simplified form. Differentiating with respect to R. So F dash R is what? Minus 2 pi AQ by R square plus 2 pi R. For minimum value of FR, F dash R is 0. So minus 2 pi AQ by so 2 pi AQ is what? 2 pi RQ. So R will be what? A. Since F dash R is what? Minus 2 pi AQ by R square plus 2 pi R. Differentiating again with respect to R. So F double dash R is what? Minus 2 pi AQ. R square will go up, will become R raised to minus 2. Minus 2 R raised to minus 3 plus 2 pi. Which is what? 4 pi AQ by RQ plus 2 pi. So F double dash A is what? 4 pi AQ by AQ plus 2 pi, 4 pi plus 2 pi, 6 pi which is greater than 0. This implies FA is minimum when R is A. That is volume of material required to construct the tank will be minimum. Metal required to construct tank will be minimum when dimensions is radius and height. When radius is what? A, and height h is what? H is nothing but a cube by r square. A cube by a square will give you what? A. That is radius and height both must be equal to a. This is the dimensions. The perimeter of triangle is 10 centimeter. If one of the side is 4 centimeter, what are the other two sides of triangle for its maximum area? Let the sides of triangle be A, B, C. Here A is what? One of the side is what? 4 centimeter. Perimeter S is A plus B plus C. I will take semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. And perimeter is given to be 10 centimeter. So semi-perimeter will be what? 5. A is 4 plus B plus C. Since perimeter is what? So 10 is equal to 4 plus B plus C. So 6 is equal to B plus C. So C is what? 6 minus B. What are the two sides? Area is what? Maximum. Let f of B represent area of triangle. So f of B is what? Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S will be what? 5. 5 into 5 minus 4. 5 minus B into 5 minus 6 minus b plus b. So f of b is what? 5 into 1 into 1 into 5 minus b into b minus 1. Root of 5 into, then we'll multiply, will give you what? 5 minus 1 is what? 4b minus b square minus 5. 5b plus b. 5b plus b, 6b minus b square minus 5. Differentiating with respect to b. So f dash b is what? Derivative of inside function is what? 5 times 6 minus 2b divided by 2 root 5 into 6b minus 6b minus b square minus 5. So this will give you what? 5 times 3 minus b upon root of 5 times 6b b square minus 5. For max value of fb, f dash b is what? 0. 5 into 3 minus b upon root of 5 times 6b minus b square minus 5. So 5 times 3 minus b is what? 0. 3 minus b is 0. So b is what? 3. B is 3. Now we have to prove that fb is what? Maximum when b is 3. For that we'll go to what? Second derivative. Since f dash b is what? 5 minus 5 into 3 minus b upon root of 5 into 6b minus b square minus 5. Again differentiating with respect to b. So f dash b is what? 5 minus 3b minus 3b upon root of 5 into 6b minus it is 5 into 3 minus b. 5 into 3 minus b. Five times 6b minus b square minus 5. 6b minus b square minus 5. Six b minus b square minus 5. Again differentiating with respect to b. So f double times b is what? This 5 will take outside in bracket. Square of denominator will be what? 5 times 6b minus b square minus 5 root of 5 times 6b minus b square minus 5. Derivative of 3 minus b is what? Minus 1 minus 3 minus b. Derivative of root is what? 1 upon 2 root 5 minus 6b 6b minus b square into derivative of inside function. Derivative of inside function is what? 5 times 6 minus 2b. When we replace f double dash 3 will be what? This 5 cancel. Minus root of 5 into 18 minus 9. 9 minus 5, 4. Divided by, and this part will be 0. 3 minus b will become 0. Divided by 5 got cancelled. 18 minus 9 will give 9 minus 5, 4. Minus root 5 by 2. And this is less than 0. So this implies FB is maximum when B is equal to 3. That is, area of triangle is maximum when other two sides are B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 6 minus B. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 6 minus B is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And it is in centimeter, so we need to write centimeter. This is also centimeter. Thank you very much. Today's quote is, with the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. हर नए दिन के साथ नई सोच और नई जोश और उमंग के साथ हमको काम शुरू करनी है. Thank you very much.